Hello everyone, my name is Omer. In this video today, I am going to review a beautiful little app that I've been using for a while and it's called Duet Display. As the name suggests, it is a small app that mirrors or extends your computer display on your iPad or iPhone. It works on both Mac or Windows. In order to set up, you need to install Duet App on your iPad from the App Store and then a small software from Duet Display website on your computer. Once done, you do need a cable to connect your iPad and the computer. Once you're done, tap on the Duet Display icon. It would start up and then it take a little while. The computer displays flickers and boom, the display comes on your iPad. In order to prove that it is truly an extended version of my computer display, I'm going to move this window on my iPad. As you can see, it came right on my iPad display. Now the best part of this setup is that you can use a computer mouse to connect on your iPad, or you can use the touch to control the display on your iPad. It also comes with other little things, like you can change this extended version to mirror using display settings in or from your computer. Also, one small thing is the iPad touch bar. Once you click on enabled, and there's a small thing that comes at the bottom of your iPad display. It's a lot like the touch bar on your new MacBooks. I generally keep it disabled. I prefer this app because there's no noticeable lag, and also it's fast, reliable. The only downside to this app, it is a paid app. I paid about 37 dirhams in Dubai, which comes about $18 to $19. Thank you very much for watching this video. Do leave a comment regarding your suggestions, your questions, and I would be happy to reply your comments. It is important to mention here that I have no connections with Duet Display Company, and it is an individual independent review. Thank you once again, and bye bye until next time.